Hi, I'm Mark Stevens from Sound of Change. I think the biggest battle this generation is facing is the battle for its mind, for your time, for your attention, and for your focus. Because what you give your focus to will determine who you're going to become, whether you're going to be a success or whether you're going to be a failure. Your brain is the most powerful weapon in the world. How you think and what you think about will determine the quality of your future. Every day that I wake up, I have to make a decision that I'm going to overcome every obstacle in my life, that I'm going to reach towards becoming the best version of myself possible. And that's a fight, that's a battle, because there are some days where I just don't feel like getting out of bed. I don't want to go to the gym because I just don't feel like it. To become a success in life, you have to train your thinking. No one's coming to make your life better or easier. That's something that you have to do for yourself. Once you put aside all the distractions, you put your phone down and all that stuff, it's then that you're left alone with just you. And what you say about you is always 10 times more powerful than what someone else says about you. You live inside your own head 24 hours a day, and you choose what to fill it with, and what you choose to fill it with will determine your success or your failure. The quality of your thoughts are going to carry you through the tough times, the challenging times, when you feel down or lonely or depressed or miserable. How you think is going to carry you out, or it's going to dig a deeper hole for yourself. Friend, the battle for your future, it starts in the mind. Never forget that.